Something strange is happening in the deep dark of space. A traveler, born in another star system, is changing before our eyes. Its name is 3i Atlas, the third known interstellar object ever to cross our solar system. But this one, unlike the others, refuses to behave. Its color has changed, its light has intensified, and no one can yet explain why. Discovered on July 1, 2025, Atlas immediately caught the attention of astronomers worldwide. Unlike typical comets, it travels too fast and on a hyperbolic path, meaning it doesn't orbit our sun. It came from somewhere else, and will soon be gone forever. For a while, Atlas vanished, hidden behind the sun, invisible to even our most powerful telescopes. When it returned, what scientists saw defied expectations. It was brighter, bluer, and more energetic than ever before. Before Atlas, there was Oumuamua, the first interstellar visitor, long and metallic, moving with strange acceleration. Then came 2i Borisov, a more conventional icy comet. But 3i Atlas is different. Its chemistry seems alive. At first, its dust shone a deep red. Then, without warning, it erupted in light, shifting to glowing green, then to brilliant blue. To scientists, that sudden change means one thing: something inside the comet woke up. NASA's solar monitoring satellites captured the event, a violent outburst of energy near Atlas's closest approach to the Sun, its perihelion. As it drew closer, its water vapor, carbon compounds, and even ammonia began to sublimate explosively, a storm of molecular chaos, glowing across millions of kilometers. For a brief moment, the visitor from another world outshone some of our brightest stars. And then, silence again. Some astronomers believe 3i Atlas carries clues to the birth of other worlds, fragments of chemistry older than the Sun. Others suggest its core might hold organic compounds, the same molecules that seeded life on Earth. But there's also speculation darker than science likes to admit. If Atlas is not behaving like a comet, then what is it? Could it be an artificial fragment, a vessel or a relic from a civilization long extinct? No evidence confirms that. And yet, the mystery remains. In late 2025, Atlas will return to our night skies for the last time. Its brightness may fade, or it may flare once more before vanishing forever. Astronomers will watch. Humanity will wonder. Because 3i Atlas isn't just a comet. It's a message in motion, a whisper from beyond our cosmic borders, a fragment of another sun's story, crossing ours for just a heartbeat in eternity. And when it's gone, we'll be left with one quiet question. How many more are out there, watching us from the dark?